Hello, my beautiful bitches. I have an unboxing, unbagging video, and I'm really excited to see it. So let's cut this open. And I'm trying to be very careful with my address. Oh my gosh, my candle wax sealer. This is a stamp. This is like a stamp wax sealer. How cute. I'm going to open it up and show you guys closer. Oh, my straw cleaners came in. Yay. Because I didn't have one at all. And then this small gold and wooden stamp for the wax. My belly button rings. Oh my god, I have to do a close-up. You guys have to see this. It's so cute. And then another stamp. Is that it? Yay! Yeah, let's do this up close and personal. So we are doing a close-up of the items. I would open it, but I just don't want any germs to infect them. And then this is the wax holder and the wax stamp. And I can even show you the little wax cubes. Oh my god! I am so excited. I just don't want to open it like a savage. How cute. So it's gold and black. Yay. How do we do this? There we go. Okay. And then this is the stamp. How do the vloggers do it? They would like something like... Anyways, maybe we shouldn't see it. But this is the By Alanye logo stamp that we will be sealing our personalized letters to, for, with, all of the above. And, hold on. My fucking knees are crazy now. How cute are these stamps? Blah, blah, blah. By Alanye forever. Subscribe to the website or else. So do what I say. And blah, blah, blah. My cleaning straws for my Stanley. And my belly button piercing. Okay. Adorable. Look at this little cute case. I can put other things in it. And these are the wax little pellets. And that's it.